Welcome to Mountain Fishing Ventures. My name is Sergeant Ron, and today we are back after them catfish. It is a windy day. You can probably see the flag behind me. Oh, we just got us a bite here. Hold on a second. Well, he didn't take it, guys. He didn't take it. I'm gonna go ahead. I got the rods out now, and we're getting all rigged up and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for some adventuring here. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys strapped up here, and we're just gonna continue on and see what happens today. So like I was saying, guys, these catfish, they've been a little frisky lately. They've been I can't say they've been willing to bite very good. So that's why we're out here. I'm trying to take the opportunity while I can to enjoy this good bite on these catfish and stuff. I know a lot of people, they're not all about catfishing and stuff like that, but man, I'm telling you, hook onto a big one and you can really have some fun. So here we are, and we're going to dabble again. Oh, look here, we might have something on this one. I could have swore I seen that one getting bit. We do get quite a bit of wind today. We're just going to continue on drifting along. Today we got a lot of wind coming from the northwest. And we have current coming from the actual east. So what I'm trying to do, the current from the wind is pushing us the opposite direction of the current. So I'm trying to counterbalance that wind by paddling slowly along this ledge that's here. And hopefully we continue to get some bites. I've had like, just talking to you guys, I've already had 2 bites. Nothing's hooked up yet, but yeah, that happens. I better here soon. I better reel up and check this bait on this one right here. Go ahead and reel him up, check him out, see if he's see if the bait's still on there. Oh yeah, we still got some bait on there. Look at there, he foul hooked it though. He got it on foul hook. That'll never hook nothing like that. Whatever rate hit that, but he hit that pretty good. We'll go ahead and let that back down. Alright, found the bottom here. Go ahead and, like I said, it's pretty windy, guys, today. So I'm just trying to get to the point where it doesn't drag us too fast. I am gonna go upstream and then we'll go and just drift on the way back. You know, just let the wind take us wherever it wants to. We'll just mosey right along. Boy, what a nice day though. You know, tomorrow tomorrow is the Marine Corps birthday, which is, you know, some of you guys don't know, some guys do. I am a Marine. I was a sergeant in the United States Marine Corps. Had a real good time doing it too. Enjoyed myself quite a bit, you know, and I still today like to help out veterans and stuff, but take them out fishing and hunting and everything like that. I try to do that at least once every month, at least once a month. I like to take out, you know, anywhere from 2 to 6. But man, I'm sorry about this wind, guys. It is a windy mess today. Like I said, we got a cold snap coming in. It's 67 degrees today, and tomorrow's supposed to get down to, I believe the high is like 34 35 degrees. So we got this cold front coming in, and it's pushing in some really strong winds. I'm trying to keep us along that edge, you know. And like I said, I don't have a GPS yet. I do plan on getting one soon, but I don't have a GPS yet, so it's kind of difficult on a real windy day for me to try to find that ledge and stay on it. You know, on a calm, super calm day, it's nowhere near as hard. But on a windy day like today, oh man, look at that. That's really gusting today. Woo! I imagine we're still going to catch some fish. I mean, it's going to be a little tougher on us, that's all. It'll just be a little tougher, that's it. But we'll catch something today. Alright guys, we got us one here. Got us one on the old dragon rig. He feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Let's see if we can get him keep hooked up here. Got to control this boat with this wind. All right, boy, windy day. Having fun. Woo, boy. See if we can get this guy in the boat. He ain't taking no drag yet, but he's not a bad looking cat. I wish he'd quit flopping around. It's cold out here to be doing that. Go ahead and get him in this here net. Alright, got him in the net, guys. We'll take a look at this guy and see what you guys think about him. Oh yeah. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this guy. See if you can open his mouth up here. Alright. There you go. Not bad, huh? Alright, let's go ahead and let him go. There he goes. Alright, I told you we were going to catch some today. These catfish, they don't mind these cold temperatures. Everybody thinks that they're a hot weather fish. No, sir. Fish in the wintertime. Alright guys, let's go get us another one. Oh guys, we got us another one on here. Hold on a second. Alright. Let's see if we can get him in now. He's a blue cat. He's down there rolling. I feel him. Yeah, he's not very big though. See that right now. He's just fairly small, I believe. It's alright, another fish. That's how I look at it, guys. Another fish. Oh yeah, he ain't too bad. Come on over here, blue kitty. Come on over here. Over there wreaking havoc, ain't you? Alright. Slime all over the place. He's all wrapped up in something here. Not in my line, but it's like. Quit now. Quit now. Open up your lip. You go ahead and get that hook out your lip. Quit now. You ain't gonna open up your lip? Alright, I got it. Go ahead and get them pliers, get that hook out your jaw. There we go, guys, got that hook out of there. There's another one. He's not too big, but he sure is fun, I tell you. Yep, sure is fun. They don't have to be big. They just gotta be fun, right? That's how I look at it. They don't have to be big, they just gotta be fun. Let's go on up here and a little closer to shore here. Every time we catch one, it blows us way out. So I'm gonna go on there closer to shore and reset this line once I get in there. Got us another one, guys. Oh, did he just come off? He just came off. Man, they're hitting that dragon rig today. They like that thing. Yeah, they're hitting that dragon rig today, guys. Might have to switch over to 2 dragon rigs and just deal with the wind. Yeah, I might have to switch over to 2 dragon rigs and just deal with this wind. Because I'm telling you, that thing it's just been crushing it today. Yeah, some days that's what they want, and some days they want suspended. You never really know. I mean, usually when I got wind like this, I like to just sit. Just anchor down and chill out and cast out and catch some fish, but it's so deep here, I'd have to get myself a 50-foot rope just to reach the bottom. And then with the wind, it'd probably blow me off the anchor anyway. So it's kind of pointless to even try it. So we might have to put the old dragon rig on and just go after it. Now we'll drift on down here ways. We're going really slow. We're drifting really slow. It's blowing us more out than it is side to side. And I wish it was blowing us side to side, but that's okay. We can deal with that. Just over here having a good time. I think it's pretty awesome to come out here in a day like today. You know, it's pretty chilly out, but come out here in a day like today when you got all this wind, all this, you know, got the storm coming in soon, and still get bites, still hook fish, catch fish, man. That's a feat in itself. Love to do it. Get over here a little bit. Got a Mr. Bass Boat man's over there. I think he's casting for bass. Maybe he's fishing for crappie. I don't know. All I know is he's coming this way slowly but surely. And You know, guys see other guys out there fishing off kayaks and stuff, and you know, most of your bass fishermen, I hate to say this, don't really like a whole lot of kayakers. They almost think that they get in the way. You know, I got myself a bass boat. I was a tournament angler. I tried that tournament angler stuff for 8 years or so. You know, didn't do bad. Now they're picking on that dragon rig again. Oh, right here, look here. Ah, we missed him. Lower it back down, see if he does anything with it. I had 2 bites. I had one on the dragon rig real quick, and then had one on this one here. And I seen the dragon rig stopped. And then I go try to reel down on this one, and it stopped. This just went through a little school of small ones or something. Yeah, just chill out and relax and wait for that bite, but it's coming. You better bet your bottom dollar these fish they're biting pretty good today. See, we had all this rain. Oh, there it goes. Look at her. There it goes. There it goes. It's on that dragon rig. Let's go ahead and get it in our hands. If he bites like that again, I'm going to reel down on him. But lately, we've been getting quite a bit of rain, so I knew that. Oh, right here on this one again. Look here. Look here. They're on this one too. I don't know what to do, guys. They're biting both of them. They're just nibbling on it. They're not taking it. What do you think I should do? Should I just leave it alone and whatever one gets hooked first gets hooked first and deal with that one, or should I keep the one in my hand? Let's see. Let's go ahead and paddle a little bit closer. This wind's blowing us off here. Mr. Bass Boat Man probably thinks I'm nuts out here in the middle of this channel. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Got us another one. Got us another one here. All right. Mr. Bass Boat Man's just watching me do it too. He's another small one, feels like. Boy, had this thing out there a ways, didn't I? Oh, he's not a bad looking kitty. Come on in here, good kitty. Right, don't you be flopping around now. Don't you be flapping around. We don't need that. You come in this kayak. Oh boy, he's got something to say for himself, don't he? Let's see if we can get him off here. He's so big, I can't even put my hand around him. I got some big hands, guys. Not huge, but a pretty good cat. Ah, there we go. There we go. Let's take a look at him. Huh? Let's take a look at him. Open up your lip. Let's take a look at you. Look at that one, guys. Not a bad fish, guys. Not a bad fish. All right, let's go ahead and let him get on about his day. He done got me all slimed up. All right. Man, that's some fun stuff, guys. I don't care who you are. Throw that headpiece back in there. We're going to go ahead and get us on another bait here. We don't want our... Well, that one there just about tore up my rig. He just about did. I'd say he did. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get us another piece of bait on here, and then we'll get back to fishing here in a moment. Now I've got something else tapping on this rod here. I'll see if it wants to take it or not. I'm telling you, that dragon rig today has been the star of the show. It's just all there is to it. The rest of them are getting bites, but they ain't hooking up. This one here, they're hitting it and they're going, usually. We got us another, oh, he just got off, guys. Just got off. He wasn't big, that's a problem. I think he's just holding on to the bait. It's all right. Put it on back in here. Put it on back in here like so. Yep. Just keep on moving. Keep on moving. It's one of my favorite little spots, guys. I get to relax and chill out a little bit. The wind's still blowing, but it's not going crazy right now. I think it's lightened up a little bit. Oh, right here, look here. Right here, something's on there. Something's playing with it. You see him? About to reel down on him. Oh, yep, oh. Oh, we got one on this rod too. Boy, we went through a lot of them right here now. Pick up on that one, lay it down. I didn't feel nothing on it. There we go. We got something biting on this in here now. Oh, he's on there. He is on there now. There we go. I don't want to get in that other rod. Yeah. He's on there now. Well, there he is. Look at him. Okay. Nice looking kitty. Come on here, blue cat. Come on in here, blue cat. Don't act foolish now. Come on now. All right, little kitty, come on up in there. There you go. Atta boy. These blue cats like to talk a lot, don't they? Almost as bad as me. There we go, guys. Good looking catty. All right, let him go. Ain't got no giants yet today, but having fun with the fun sizers. We are. All right, let's go ahead and get this rebaited. We'll get it back out. Another one on here, guys. Oh, there it is. Reeled down on that one. All right. Well, that was quick. Oh, he just got off too. Man alive. He just got off. Dang. All right, well, it's all right. There it is. We'll just let that sit there. See if he'll come back or one of his buddies. That's what I say. I think there's a few of them over here, so either way, I think we're going to be okay. Like I said, then we haven't really got too many big ones today. Had a lot of fun sizers, you know, them 30-inch line, 28, 27, 30, 31. Looking for something, you know, somewhere in the 36, 38, 40 range. That'd be fun. Now that'd be fun. We'd get drug around a little bit with that one. Yes, we would. If we catch one of them, I think I'd call it a day, is what I think. Because I'd be leaving on a good note. Hard to top that. We'll just relax here and give what the river gives us. You know, either way, it doesn't matter. It's fun any way you slice it. Any way you slice it, it's fun. Get that wedge in there real good. Well, guys, that sun went away. It got awful cold. Now, the darn fish quit biting. I think it's time for us to go home and eat us some dinner. What do you say? Yeah, we had a good time, though. I mean, come out here, nice cool weather, and catch us some fish, man. They can't beat that, can you? All right, until next time, I'll see you guys on the water.